Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. For today's video, it's going to be a wand curl for me. I haven't done this style in years, so let's get right into it. My hair has been pre-pooed, shampooed, and deep conditioned, but I was really vexed because if you look really close, since I pre-pooed with fresh aloe vera plant, that stuff got stuck in my hair. This is not dandruff. This is the aloe vera flake residue in my hair. But anyways, I'm going in with Miel Organics Mangongo Oil Thermal Heat Protectant Spray, the same spray I've had since 2018. I'm supposed to update it, but you know how it goes. It still be working fine because it came out really good. So I'm using my Rev Air to blow out. I prefer my Rev Air reverse hair dryer. That is my go-to. I rather use that than the blow dryer. I sprayed the heat protectant all over my hair. I'm going to gently detangle with my powder brush, and then you see the Rev Air come through. Okay, but the length, the body, the fullness, the way my ends are looking after my first trim in like how many years, the hair health is real. I'm happy I'm still at waist length and my hair is not short, it is still long and beaut. For my wand curls, I'm using Red by Kiss wand curler. I feel like the barrel's like a medium size. I don't remember the exact inch, but I did get it from Sally's Beauty Supply store about 5 years ago, and it's still working good. No complaints. I already said a prayer. I already spoke to God and the universe that I hope this comes out good because I haven't done this in a long time. I can't even tell you when was the last time I used a curling wand. It's been a long time, so yeah. I got my hair like sections after section, and curling wands are hot as. So my curling wand comes with a cotton glove, and you already know I'm gonna put on this glove. Oh my gosh. So wait, what am I holding the iron with? Okay, now it should go on the left hand. The glove should go on the left hand because that's the hand. Okay, the glove is on the left hand because that's the hand that I'm gonna be using to wrap. Oh my gosh, I'm so nervous. Ooh, it's hot, it's hot. Ooh, it's hot. Oh my god, it's so... Okay, so... Oh my gosh. I haven't done this in so long. I did not do it right. I'm so nervous to do this myself. Okay. I'm trying to do this and I'm nervous. Okay, let me do it this way. Hot, 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 hot. I don't think I'm doing it right, but ooh, that was hot. That was cute. Okay. We got one curl. Let's go for another one. I think it's this hair. This is so nerve-wracking. I don't get how some people can do this on a regular, like, I used to be honest, I used to straighten my hair. Not all the time, but I was good at it. But now I'm just like, bitch, I don't know what I'm doing. See? Okay, hold on. Let's go a little bit longer. I got it. I got it. I think I got it. Ooh, this shit's hot. And curling wands, like, there's no, for my curling wand, there's no set temperature. Ew. Okay, it's gonna be like some curls like that. My curling wand, there's no set temperature. There's no, you can't change your temperature. It's either on or off. Why is it so hard to do? I feel like I should use, I'm gonna use my right hand. I'm gonna use my right hand and stop complaining. I'm gonna use my right hand to do this. No, wait. Right hand to hold the stick. No, left hand to hold the stick. And right hand to curl the hair. No, that's not right. Oh. Okay. Still came out cute. Boop, 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 boop. And we got more to do. But I'd rather film me doing the top than the back because I feel like I have to like pay attention. Okay. What I got here in my mouth. So, I think for not doing this in a long time, I'm thinking it's coming out. I think it's coming. It's looking magnifique. So basically, I'm holding the curler in the left hand, and I'm just twisting my hair with the right hand, which is so much better for me. And it's coming out really, really good. I'm happy I did this. It's always good just to, ooh, that's hot. It's always good, you know, try new styles and stuff. And I haven't used the Swan on my real hair in God knows how long, probably about 4 or 5 years. Because I don't use heat. Even when I straighten my hair to trim, you guys see, I don't even use heat at all. So this is new for me. And I'm just twisting the hair around. I don't even keep it on for long either, because, you know, it's just like a nice little curl. Woo! This shit gets hot. I don't even know. I think it goes up to, I think it's at 4 something. But look at those curls, baby. What? When it's all your real hair. I am absolutely in love with my results. Like, I knew I was going to do it good, but it was rocky at first because, come on, if you haven't done this in a long time, you're kind of like, a little hesitant, but I'm loving this. I'm trying to keep this for a whole week, hopefully. At the end, I'll show you guys how I preserve it at night, but this was cute. This was cute. Go ahead and give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel, turn your notifications. Like, as always, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you for the next video. Bye, guys.